Good morning, students. So, today we are going to solve worksheet sets chapter based on sets chapter. Now, student, first you have to fill these details. Write your name, roll number, division, and put today's date. Okay, I hope you have filled it. Now, first question is MCQ, multiple choice question. So, what is given? First one, if set M equal to 1, 3, 5 and set N contains element 2, 4, 6, then M intersection N equal to option A, in that it is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, in option B 1, 3, 5, C is 5, and in option D 2, 4, 6. Now student, you can see no M intersection N. So can you see any common elements among this two set? There is no common. So the answer would be option C, that is 5 set, that is empty set. Now question number second. What is given? Set P equal to x such that x is an odd number and x is greater than 1 and less than and equal to 5. So how to write this set in roster form? Roster form means listing form. So option A contains elements 1, 3, 5. B contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C 1, 3. D 3, 5. But now what it is given? Odd natural number. You know odd natural number 1, 3, 5. Now what is condition given? X is greater than 1. So odd will be starting from 3 and less than or equal to 5. So 3 and 5 will be the elements coming according to the question. So option D is the right answer. Now third one, set P equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 till 10. It is written. So what type of set P is? Now you know option given is null set, infinite set, finite set, none of these. Now you know there are 10 elements in set P. So this is known as finite set, that is option C. Fourth one, question fourth. M union N equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and set M contains elements that is 1, 2, 4. Then which of the following represents set N? Now you know M contains 1, 2, 4. So the remaining is 3, 5, 6. Now can you see option B has 3, 5, 6 and along with it 4 is there. So option B is the correct answer. So I hope you have done this. Now we'll move to next question. What is given? If set A equal to elements are 3, 5, 7, 9 and set B contains element 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. C set contains 12, 14, 18, 20, 24 and set D contains element 21, 26, 31, 36. State which of the following statement is true or false. Now first question, what is given? That is 13 belongs to C. Now, element 13 is there in C. See, element 13 is there in C. Can you see any 13 here? No. So, the answer is false. Now, second question. 6 does not belongs to A. Set A. So, 6 is there. Element 6 is there in set A. No, it's not there. So, the answer is true. Now, third one. 9 does not belongs to set A. Now, students, in set A, 9 elements, element 9 is there. So, the question is saying that 9 does not belongs to A. So, the answer is false. Now, next, what is given? 24 belongs to set C. Yes, 24. Element that 24 is there in set C. So the answer is true. Next question. 31 belongs to set D. So it's there na 31, the element you can see in set D, 31 is there. So it belongs to D. So it is true. Now sixth one, what is given? 36 does not belongs to D. Now element 36 is there in set D, you can see. So the question is saying does not belongs to D. So the answer is false. Now next, 20 does not belongs to C. So in C set, can you see 20? Yes, it is there. So does not belongs to C. So the answer is false. And the last one, what is given? 9 belongs to A. Yes, the element is 9 is there in set A. So the answer is true. Now you have completed this. We'll move to next question. Write the following sets in the roster form, that is in listing form. First question, set A equal to set of all even numbers less than 12. So all even numbers less than 12 means 2, 4, 6. So this will come. So write down in listing form. So set A equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 12 will not come because the question is less than 12. Okay. Now let's move to say B1. Set E equal to set of vowels in the word choice, CHOICE. But the question is set of vowels. You know vowels A, E, I, O, U. So here which is there? O is there, I is there and E is there. So you'll write down set E equal to in curly brackets O, comma I, comma E and close. Okay. Now we'll move to fourth question. Write each of the following in set builder form or rule method, rule form. So first question, set I equal to elements inside that set is A, E, I, O and U. You know what are these? These are vowels of English alphabet. So you'll write down in rule method that I, set I equal to open curly bracket X such that X is a vowel in the English alphabet and close the curly bracket. Okay. Now we'll move to B1. Set A equal to 5, 10, 15, 20. Now can you see this is a multiple of 5 and it is given till 5 fours are 20. So it is a finite set. So I'll write, so set A equal to open curly bracket X such that X is first 4 multiple of 5. You can write in statement form also, or set A equal to open curly bracket X such that X equal to 5n and n belongs to natural number where n is less than 5. Close the curly bracket. This way you have to write in rule method. Any one you can write. Okay. Now we'll move to question number 5th. Now what is given in question number 5th? Are two sets A and B equal? Give reason to support your answer. You have to solve and let's see whether they are equal or not. Now what is there in set A? Set A equal to X such that X is a letter in the word seat. Set B equal to X such that X is a letter in the word taste. Now you have to support also, you have to justify. So first we will write this set in listing method. So solution, A equal to, set A equal to, now what letters will come inside the set? S, comma E, comma A, comma T. Put it relation number 1. Now set B, write in listing method. So the word is taste, T-A-S-T, but repetition is not allowed. Repetition of element is not allowed. So which elements will come? Letters will come T, A, S and E. Now If you see, all the elements of set A and B are equal, same also. So from 1 and 2, what you can say, that set A and B are equal set as they contain same element. I hope you got it now. So you have written. We'll move to our next question, sixth one. Now in sixth one, what is given? If n of A equal to 20, n of B equal to 28 and n of A union B equal to 36, then n of A intersection B you have to find. So you have learned the formula, that is n of A union B equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So in this formula you will put the substitute the values. So under n of A union B 36 equal to, under n of A you will write down 20 plus n of B have value 28 minus n of A intersection B, because this we have to find. So next step we will add 20 plus 28. So 36 equal to 48 minus n of A intersection B. Now n of A intersection B equal to 48 minus 36. Therefore n of A union B, n of A intersection B equal to 12. So the answer you got is 12. So by this formula you can find any other also if it is missing then. Okay, we'll move to our next seventh question. Now student, the seventh one is based on Venn diagram. You can see Venn diagram. Now you have to observe this Venn diagram and you have to find out the answer of the given set. What you have to find? Universal A, set A, then elements of set B, elements of A union B and A intersection B. Now universal set means rectangle. So you will write all the elements which is there in this rectangle. Okay students, so universal set contains all the elements, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13. Now our next one is set A. Now set A, can you see student, this whole circle which is there for A means this whole which I'm shading, see I'm showing you with this. Yeah, this whole whatever elements is there in this set will be A. Okay, set. Don't write only 2, 3, 7. The whole circle set A. So what are the elements? 1, 2, 3, 5 and 7. Got it? Now our next question, what is given? B1. What is B? Now set B. So set B also, the whole this circle will come. So it is 1, 5, 9, 8 and 10. Set B contains. So you will arrange and write 1, 5, 8, 9, 10. Now our next, what is given? You have to find A union B. Now students, A union B means both. See shading, you see. A is also shaded and B is also shaded. Yes, highlighted means all the elements of both the set. So what will come? 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can you see now? Okay. Now we'll move to A intersection B. Now what is A intersection B? Means common. So common is 1 and 5. See, I have highlighted with red. So this is common part where intersection, both the set meet now, that part is known as intersection. So 1 and 5. Okay. Now students, we'll move to next one. Eighth one. Write the subset relation between the following sets. Now I have to write relation between subsets. Okay. X equal to set of all quadrilaterals. Y equal to set of all rhombuses. S is equal to set of all squares. T is a set of all parallelograms. And V is set of all rectangles. You know all this rhombus, square, parallelograms, rectangle are subset of quadrilateral, because you know quadrilateral means four-sided figures. So square, rhombus, rectangle, parallelogram will be all subset of quadrilateral. Okay. Now what else? Square can be subset of rectangle. Yes, like that you have to frame or you have to get relations. Okay, so first one I wrote S, that is square is subset of quadrilateral. Then second one we can write as this rectangle is subset of quadrilateral. Third one we can write that is parallelogram is subset of X, that is quadrilateral. Then fourth one I can write rhombus is subset of quadrilateral X. Fifth one, square is subset of rectangle, that is V. We have to denote by the letter which is given for the set. Then sixth one, that is square is subset of parallelogram. Then seventh one, that is square is subset of rhombus. Now the last one you can fill is that is rhombus is subset of parallelogram. You can make your own choice relations also by seeing. Okay. Now we'll move to one. What is given, students? In a class of 70 students, 45 students like to play cricket, 52 students like to play kho. All the students like to play at least one of the two games. Now, how many students like to play cricket or kho? The first question. And you have to add this question one more. You please add in your worksheet. How many students like to play cricket and kho both? This additional question you put up in your worksheet. Now, students, the numbers are given. So we have to initiate for cricket. We have to letter with the set. We have to give a this one letter set name for cricket. Then for kho also. So the total number of student solution, that is total number of student equal to 70. Now let A be the student set of students who likes to play cricket, that is n of A equal to 45. Similarly, I'll write let B be the set of students who like to play kho, that is n of B equal to 52. Now what first question was, how many students like to play cricket or kho? So number of students who like to play cricket or kho means n of A union B we have to find. Is it clear? So, but in question it is given all the students like to play at least one of the two games. So, means that is number of students who like to play cricket or kho is equal to 70. That is n of A union B equal to 70. Now, I've given one more question. How many students like to play cricket and kho both? Means we have to find it n of A intersection B. So, number of students who like to play cricket and kho is n of A intersection B. Now, previous only we have solved one example, this one sum based on formula. So, we'll apply the formula over here. We know that n of A union B equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Now substitute the values. So you'll get 70 equal to 45 plus 52 minus n of A intersection B, which we have to find. Then you'll add 45 plus 52. So 70 equal to 97 minus n of A intersection B. So therefore n of A intersection B equal to 97 minus 70. Therefore n of A intersection B answer is 27. So you got, that is students who like to play cricket and kho both are 27. So final statement you have to write, it is compulsory. Therefore number of students who like to play cricket or kho is 70 and number of students who like to play cricket and kho both, that is 27. I hope you understood and you have solved the worksheet. Okay, thank you. Stay home and stay safe.